This is what happens inside your body when you yawn deeply. Your jaw stretches wide, forcing your mouth open. Suddenly, a rush of cool air floods down your throat. Your lungs expand like balloons, pulling in oxygen. Blood vessels in your brain constrict, cooling your overheated brain tissue. At the same time, a mysterious wave of spinal fluid surges up your neck. Sometimes, tiny tears form at the corners of your eyes. Here's the twist. Scientists still aren't sure why we yawn, and this is happening inside you right now.